I'm going to share with you 4 ways in which you can use Vocaroo in ELT. First of all, the students can use Vocaroo at home to simply practice speaking or reading texts aloud and listen to themselves, compare and analyze the recordings. If you have a wiki or a blog, you can ask the students to make recordings and archive them there for everyone to take a look at and listen to. This is my class wiki. I have a section for recordings, and I have a few recordings, voice recordings made on Vocaroo, which I have embedded on the wiki. You can record yourself using words and grammar structures that the students have seen in class, and then provide the link for the students to listen to the short recordings at home and give you a written transcript. On the theme of clothes, let's imagine that we want to highlight words and expressions such as designer clothes, casual clothes, skinny jeans. Let's make a recording. I'm not a big fan of designer clothes. I think they're definitely overpriced. I'd rather wear casual clothes, a comfy t-shirt and skinny jeans. I'm not a big fan of designer clothes. I think they're definitely... I'm fine with this recording. I'm clicking here to save it, and Vocaroo will give me the unique URL. That's the link that I need to share with my students for them to listen to the recording. Finally, you could organize a treasure hunt with voice recordings. It could be an indoor or an outdoor activity, or a combination of both. The series of clues would be QR codes generated by Vocaroo. Let's record an example. Now, go to the school library. As you walk in, look to your left. You will see a set of shelves. Look for a book with the title White Teeth and find another QR code inside this book for the next set of instructions. Let's save this recording, and now let's find this link for the QR code. Let's click on it, and this is the QR code. Now what we need to do is copy and paste this code onto a Word document, blow it up, print it off, and have the students scan it with their QR reader app on their phones, and then they will be able to listen to that recording.